Bor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ladang irung ha ka khnit ka bapra ka jingmentoi ka khampuan. Mdai shu tang kitu ki banga ong mane. Jingmentoi ka khampuan si syo. Haying dorbar thau anyu MP jongi ulala man renda ka khasi. Kata kadai ka wai. Batang na ka jingkren khasi jong uru kanmi ikatu kan ni ka kam. Namar habdan ban pet ye katua ka banta. Habdan translator kasi. To ananta lada kala rung ha khnit ka bapra. Na ka banta kini ki samla pule. Pi kini ki samla pule ka UGC kahaban penlong ya ki exam ya ka subject khasi ka baki ong ka net qualification national entrance test lada ki yo ya kata net GRF net junior research fellowship kita yo ya kata kamad habakile PhD ha ka subject khasi kila banyo ya ka scholarship Marsen join ya ke research, Marsen sedang ke research, kini yo life on yo ajar si benai. Kumbayo balik ya ke botany, chemistry, English, economics. Menta kini ki nongwat benia ki balik PhD haka department kasi ki yo dakan non-net scholarship. Kebatang si pawai jaruk kampoi si benai. Kini ki central school baru kaj. Kila ban hikaya kaktian ya ka subjek khasi. Menta wat kini ki central school ki badan hapo megalaru ki hikaya te ya kaktian ya ka subjek khasi. Ka ICSE ka hikay handai ka CBSE hadu mentaru ila tho sya ka government sarkar jilla. Bahkan tho sya ka sarkar India ka Ministry of Education. Handai hadu menta CBSE empat hikay ka subjek khasi hadu ka SSLC. Ta tila dah kalau long ke tien hapo kredit ke pra kini ki skul baru khoj mdai tang hapo ki badan megalia hendrai shano badan ki khna khasi ki bapule ki dai ya ka ban hika ya ka subject khasi mdai tang skul ki college ro mdai tang college ki university ro pen menta ki khna jongi katno spa katno hajar ki dan hadeli Kibapli kimdan ke department kasi. Ndala runga khnir bapra kini ki Central University barok hai. Haba kinong puli kidan ngila bandawa ban pli ya ke department. Bad ka sarkar ka hab he ya ke ban pli ye gitu ki department. Lane ban hikai ya ka subject kasi. Hado ndai tang sin bakla adun ke department university te ke dai ban long bet hadu PhD. Tina kata kadau ban pas PhD ya ka khasi 6 dai shu tang nihu handai na Delhi University ro. Lada kalong kumta ki ban hikai khasi High University kim dai shu tang hapo nihu lane he ikfai lane he USTM lane ha Martin Luther handai kin long ru Delhi University Calcutta University. Ti kala tu kam ye jam kala bon. Namar belai ba nang ne ngilej hikai khasi sekitu ki nompa university ki ba he agitu ki nompa kan.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
La khot e ka snong no ngi kwa yo sngo bhan ka snong de la khot ka la yat Dikila pen sngo hina snong ki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ki don hi convey bet ya ki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ya ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project ki don menta hang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha kajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata, let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnod ngiru hangni. Shuaban take up yung project. Hindi ban suto bakla. Habang warra yaki investment. Habang warra yaki bakum kinigi project. Net yang nga opi kabakaduk ka jimatoy. Kanlong yangi ki konsamna.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.